In front of me is XIAOMI 17T, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard theme. All you need to do is launch your keyboard and tap on this icon of a color palette at the top of it. Then scroll to click on those icons at the top right corners. And when you're ready, click on the best theme for you. Then manage key borders thanks to this switcher and hit apply. As you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. If you want to customize your theme, use the same icon and this time use +1 under my themes. Now tap on the photo you wanna apply as your new keyboard's background. Pinch it to scale, drag it to move and hit next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Hit done. Manage key borders and tap on apply. To manage any of your themes after going back to the same section, you can tap on one of your downloaded ones and delete it from here, only to get rid of the clutter because you can always download it the same way. Like that. You can edit a custom one thanks to pen icon. Hit save and choose apply. Or click on it and tap on this bin at the top right corner to get rid of it. If you do that though, you will have to remake it, in case you will want it again. So be sure of your choice. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!